Hello, I am Devashish Mandal here again with a short video. The charging base of this Bluetooth device has been broken inside, so it cannot be charged now. So it is being opened now to know the condition inside. Yes, this is the base found. This base cannot be reattached because with it the foil of the board has also come up. Taking out the board now. Here is where the charging base was installed. The place is being cleaned fast. This way a new base is attached to a charging pin. Then a little paste was applied and the solder was attached. Then two jumper wires are attached to the negative and positive points of the base. This time, after finding the positive place of the board, solder was attaching there too. Then the positive wire of the charging base is soldered to that spot on the board and the negative wire is connected to any negative point on the board. This time the base should be properly seated on the board. And held with the fingers like this. A thin insulator must be used under the finger to avoid heat. This time soldering with a well heated iron using a little paste. The upper part of the base is also soldered in certain places to make it stronger. Care must be taken while soldering so that one does not stick to the other. Now the jumper wires are being laid properly. Now it is being fitted again as before. Meanwhile, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video to see more such videos in the future. Many thanks to all for watching the full video. We'll talk again soon. Namaskar.